Here we go, down the creek with the boys. First time up the creek.
First time.
Barra.
Barra. First barra.
Well done, mate.
First barra.
Well done, mate.
Thanks very much. Is he pitch dust? Yeah, that's better.
Hey, look at that. That's what it's all about, boys.
You. Neon.
Got him. Hey, that's a big carbon. Yeah. Oh, screw up. Is that a target? Actually, thought he's too big for some. It could have been a salmon, actually.
Oh, did you drop him?
Yeah.
Ah, put my head down to walk over here and look up, he's gone. Son of a bitch.
Through the hooks. Have a crack at that. Boy, we were just talking about flatties. We were just talking about flatties. And the flatty whisperer has banged a flatty and he's changed his plastic. Look at that. You didn't even tell me that. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. I've taken them to my spot and they haven't even told me what lures they're using.
I hadn't got a spearing one.
Oh, no.
Look, now that I've caught that,
Beauty
Mum will be
dust.
happy. She loves nannies.
She loves flatties. That's it.
We give Jim a plug.
Jim down to Victoria. Does he get these down there? I don't think he does, eh?
Oh,
Might have to.
I think they do in the
Might have
fish
to
shop.
whip a fillet off for him and send in the mail.
Yeah, we'll try
He'd
it.
like that. Yeah, I've got a cryback machine at home. Right, no, we better get some more. Here we are, stomping through the mangroves, going to another spot. I've got a few fish. The boys got a flatty and a barra. Let's have a look behind us here. Here we go. Yeah, you want to be in the army? This is it. Rightio. We'll keep stomping on. We'll see you on the next spot. Here we go, the second spot. Pretty much got to do the mud run because crocodiles are right there and we don't want to get snapped up by them. Here we go. Alright, hopefully we get hooked up. Oh yeah. Comes the rest of the boys shuffling through.
More commando trainer.
Yep. Rip up.
Nearly lost my shoes.
Nearly lost it. Oh, he didn't get eaten by crocs, that's a bonus. Mick's got a snag. Oh, beautiful snag, mate. Let's bring that back in here. Come on, mate. I really don't want to get spiked by you. Oh, pig. Few pigs up here. Yeah, go grunt for the camera again. Before he spikes me. Hey, buddy. Good little session up here. It's our second spot at the moment. Little Berkeley gulp. Smashed it. Alright, we'll chuck him back. Oh, yeah? You want to go back? Fair enough. He's talking. Righto. Alright. Man, hey, there's fish in there. Yeah, we're off to the next spot. The back of the ute. It's all go. This is what it's all about, eh, Mick?
That is my man.
This is it.
All about getting dirty.
Exactly. Mick's just got his first barra. Hottie got a flatty. What else we get? Little grunner.
Little finger mark.
Yeah, you got a little finger mark too. That's the smallest one in the creek.
Bit of fun.
Yeah. We got. Who's in here? Is this Ricky Bobby? I guess it's Ricky Bobby. Hey, is that you, Ricky Bobby? Shake and bake! Woo! Off to the next spot. Tracking through to the third spot. Just doing our footy training. The boys are in here behind me. There we go. Spot 3. She's blowing. But hey, we're here. There we're down. Oh, hello, Mr. Crab. You're a bit going. Hey, buddy. Oh, bit of a hike. Anyway, we'll set the tripod up here and see if we can't get a barra off these rocks. Right in here. Oh, crack. Oh, there we go. Guts. Hey, when there's nothing around, there's always cod. I love it. It's huge. Barra time! Little barra! This is the smallest barra in the creek. Hey, there he is. Get back in the water. Right. Go, buddy. Oh, he's clamping down. Ew. Boom. Now then, things are going a little bit quiet here now, so we'll get rid of this little storm, hard body, and throw another soft plastic. But this time I'm going to put on a quarter. I had an 1/8 on before. Just to get it out, there's a little hole out the back here, we might try and get some finger mark. So, tie this guy on. Go through about 4 times. Done. Little tag. And we're going to run the good old gulp. These little prawns kill it up here. Just got to make sure you get them on nice and straight. If you don't get him on straight the first time, just muck around till you get it straight. You want him just like that. We'll see if we can bang a finger mark. Well, that's a little wrap for the creek sesh. Ollie's coming across the rocks here. Still got Mick coming. I don't think he's been eaten by a croc, has he? Nah, there he is. I can see him. But had a pretty good little session. Couple little barra, little flatty, runner. Where else we get? Finger mark. Nothing real big, but hey, yeah, little pike, and that's it. Yeah. I don't know what he's doing that for. He's showing his 6-pack. I'll get mine out next week. Alright. See you. Here we go. Oddie's got a flatty finger. Had a bit of a mung. Show us the top where he's laid the front teeth into you. Oh yes. Well. But who got the last laugh?
Yeah, could be on the frying pan ladder.
He's coming home for tea. Flatty fingers. Here we come.